Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can fix Google Play services has stopped or has not working properly. So if you're playing any game or if you're on any app and if you face this error like Google Play services is stopped, you can fix this. You can try to fix this, okay? First of all, open your phone settings and here you will see all the installed apps. On your phone the option may be something like apps and notification. For me in this phone it is like app management, so you need to click on all the installed apps. You need to find all the installed apps. See here, app list. For you it will be like apps and notification, then installed apps. So find Google Play services here. Google Play services. So if the app is being stopped, you can clear the cache and you can try it back. So under storage options you'll have something like clear cache. Once you click on clear cache, you can restart your phone and try to check whether your problem is fixed or not. In this way you can try to fix Google Play services has stopped. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.